Step into the future of machinery. Join us as we explore cutting-edge technology that blends raw power with impeccable precision. Ready to witness the innovation of tomorrow? Let's dive into this exciting journey. Let's meet the seasoned lumberjack, a master with many years of experience. Today, he's cutting a centuries-old oak tree with precision, preserving its wood. Let's see the masterpiece he creates next. Wow, the sound of that tree falling is truly satisfying. Did you know that Cord King custom builds firewood processors tailored to your specific needs? This model features an 8-way wedge with 29 tons of splitting force. With a 34-ton splitter capacity, it processes up to 60 to 80 cubic meters of wood per hour. When it comes to handling tough tasks like firewood cutting, the Sawquip Excavator log saw stand out as your trusted companion. Featuring a tungsten-tipped 40-inch blade and a maximum cut of 16 inches, it ensures precision, durability, and efficiency for all your vegetation management needs. The Mibor SLH 1200 is a powerful 14-ton debarker that operates with just the push of a button. Designed for logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter, its 122 kilowatts motor drives a heavy-duty head that effortlessly strips bark, ensuring top-tier performance and long-lasting reliability. Transporting and unloading long logs weighing tens of tons is a huge challenge. The skilled operator expertly maneuvers the forklift, lifting and guiding the logs with controlled precision, showcasing remarkable technique. Let's see these lumber mills in action. Logs weighing up to 26 tons are unloaded, debarked, and scanned for optimal cuts. The boards are then sliced into slabs, trimmed, and sorted by size. The mill processes over 100 million board feet annually, with the finished products stacked, dried, and shipped. Experience the satisfaction of effortless productivity with the Timberwolf Alpha 6. Designed to handle logs up to 20 inches in diameter, this powerful machine empowers you to tackle any challenge, achieve your goals, and enjoy the rewarding feeling of accomplishment. The Robot XY Log 800 firewood processor can handle logs up to 31.5 inches in diameter with a 16-ton splitting force. It features a chain-fed deck, hydraulic cutting length adjustments, and dual 135 kilowatts motors for efficient, high-volume production. Next, let's take a look at the Cat Excavator, equipped with a tree cutting head, capable of harvesting trees up to 24 inches in diameter, with an output of 40 trees per hour. This powerful machine is designed for efficient and high-yield operations.
Останови краску.
Up to 10,000 board feet can be cut in an hour with the SD62 Lumber Pro. Its 41-inch carriage opening and ability to handle logs up to 30 feet in length make it ideal for producing high-quality timber quickly. Powered by a robust 180 horsepower engine, the Stump Harvester features a 7-meter hydraulic reach, efficiently removing tree stumps and roots up to 3 meters deep. Its cutting-edge design enhances productivity, making land clearing and regeneration faster and more effective. Wow! Check out that LKT-81 timber truck with tracked wheels, hauling massive logs through freezing winter. As it lifts its front wheels, the weight of the load pushes the truck to its limits, yet it powers through, showing impressive strength. This sawmill can handle logs up to 70 centimeters in diameter and 5 meters in length. An extension is available for larger logs. It can accurately cut through a wide range of wood types thanks to its 2-meter-long saw blade. The MBR 900 drum cutter efficiently removes hard trees and large stumps, cutting through dense wood, roots, and tough materials. Its precision and strength make it ideal for land clearing, forestry, and urban applications with hard materials. This excavator, with a wood splitter attachment, efficiently processes large logs, cutting and splitting tough timber, ideal for land clearing. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for the latest updates. Continue the journey with us. Catch you next time.